SolidFace is a solid modeler that has three main modules. The part module for modeling solid and surface 3D bodies and multi-bodies. The assembly module for creating assemblies using top-down and bottom-up technology from part components and subassemblies. The drawing environment is used to detail these 3D components. This environment has two important characteristics. The commands in operation are the same as the sketch submodule. Therefore, when learning the drawing module, you already learn how to operate the sketch submodule. Another important feature is that you can create 2D drawings such as layouts, plans, electrical circuits, etc., without the need to insert 3D components. The Tutorials and Videos button opens SolidFace example files. You can watch the videos studying the models in SolidFace. The drawings are linked to tutorials stored on YouTube. The License button informs the type and status of the product license. The Check for Updates button. This check can be performed manually or automatically. Another important tool is the collaborative workspace. To collaborate on a project, you must enter an identification number for that project provided by the project owner. With this ID, you can work on a part or assembly model as a viewer or collaborator. Here you can create your profile and register as a collaborator for collaborative projects. Educational licenses also do not have this feature. Specifically about the collaborative environment, there are 4 institutional videos about its operation.